What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to another tips and tricks video for your PlayStation, where today I'm going to be showing you guys the one thing I recommend doing if you're experiencing issues with your PS5. It's really quick, it's easy, and it's known to fix problems with games freezing, frame rate issues, and random problems that you might be experiencing with your PlayStation 5. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Step 1, you want to make sure that your PlayStation 5 is not in rest mode. The PS5 must be completely off if you want for this to work correctly. Step 2, you want to hold down the power button on the console until you hear 2 beeps. And once you hear the second beep, let go of the power button. Next, you should see the safe mode screen appear on your television, and at this point, you need to connect your DualSense controller to the PS5 with a USB cable. Step 3, you want to navigate the safe mode menu until you see the option for Rebuild Database. Select this option and click OK. Now, there is a message that does say this could take a few hours, but in my experience, it usually only takes just a few seconds for this process to complete. And once it's finished, you'll see the PS5 restart, and that's it. It's literally that simple. So if you're experiencing any issues with your PlayStation 5, I recommend that you give this a try and see if it works for you. But hopefully you guys did enjoy this video and found it useful or at least interesting. And if you did, make sure to leave a like rating on the video, comment below to let me know what you think. And as always, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell for post notifications. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.